So it looks like the Galaxy S25 Ultra is about to get some massive camera upgrades. What's up guys, Sal here. So it's been a while since we've seen a real camera upgrade on Samsung's Ultra phone aside from the main camera. Sure, Samsung tweaked the periscope camera on the S24 Ultra, but many folks think dropping from 10x optical zoom to 5x was actually a downgrade. But now things are looking up. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to get a massive camera overhaul, and it's about time. According to Universe, the S25 Ultra will keep its quad camera setup, but will significantly upgrade two of the cameras with bigger and higher resolution sensors. The leaked specs on Weibo shows a 200 megapixel primary camera, a 50 megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 50 megapixel telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom, and a 50 megapixel periscope camera with 5x optical zoom. This is a huge step up from the S24 Ultra, which has a 200 megapixel primary camera, but only a 12 megapixel ultra-wide and 10 megapixel telephoto, along with 50 megapixel periscope with 5x optical zoom. Samsung's taken with 10 and 12 megapixel sensors for so long, while competitors moved on to 50 megapixel or higher was getting old. But it looks like they're finally ready to make a big leap. So what these upgrades mean? Well, if these leaks are true, the S25 Ultra will take better photos from these cameras both in daylight and at night. It will also be capable of 8K video recording on all its rear cameras. That's a pretty big deal, offering crazy high resolution and detail for both photos and videos. There's also buzz about Samsung using a newer 200 megapixel sensor that's closer to a 1-inch sensor in size. If this happens, we could see a huge boost in photo quality, especially in low light, and better depth of field. Early next year, we might witness a complete camera quality overhaul. Beyond the cameras, what else to expect from the S25? Well, the S25 Ultra isn't just about better cameras. We're expecting a new design, upgraded internals with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, better on-device AI, and One UI 7 based on Android 15. Now speaking of cameras, One UI 6.1.1 could finally be the big camera upgrade for the S24 Ultra. Universe claims that Samsung is working on One UI 6.1.1 for the S24 Ultra. This update is said to be the biggest one since the phone launched back in January and will focus heavily on fixing camera problems. What camera problems, you ask? Well, a lot of S24 Ultra users have reported several camera issues, including a dirty and noisy sky, especially in low-light conditions, motion blur in photos, banding in scenes with the sky, overexposure in parts of the frame, an oil painting-like effect in photos taken with more than 10x zoom, and high grain and noise in low-light videos. The upcoming update promises to tackle these issues. So when can you expect the update? Well, Samsung usually releases these X.1.1 updates on their foldable phones first. So I'm guessing the S24 series will get the update in July at the earliest. This timing matches up with the expected launch of the Z Fold 6. Now the S25 Ultra will be launched with One UI 7. And these are 12 Android 15 features that are expected to carry over to the S25. Click here to watch the video. I'll see you there.